Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great Vaheguru, let us start our new session, and that is the electromagnetic wave equation. Electromagnetic wave equation for isotropic dielectric. For isotropic dielectric. Okay, this is also called a non-conducting medium. Okay, so what do you mean by isotropic dielectric? Isotropic dielectric means a non-conducting medium which has the same property in all directions. Okay. So first of all, I would like to write the Maxwell equations. These are the differential form. These are the differential form of Maxwell equation. Del cross is equal to minus curly d by curly t. Del cross h is equal to j plus curly d by curly t. Del dot e is equal to rho by epsilon naught. Del dot h is equal to 0. And our story starts from this point. For non-conducting medium, sigma 0. If sigma is 0, then j is also 0, then x is also 0. Okay, and rho is also 0. Since there is no volume distribution of charge, or mu is equal to nu h. Mu h, not mu naught नहीं आएगा, because mu naught is used for the free space. And similarly, d is equal to epsilon into e. And see, this is the relation of mu is equal to mu r into mu naught, where mu r is called the relative permeability and epsilon is equal to epsilon r into epsilon naught. So simply mu, if we have to define relative permeability, is simply the ratio of mu by mu naught. Mu by mu naught, and similarly epsilon r is equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. So this is the permittivity with medium. This is the permittivity for the free space. For a free space. Now for the non-conducting medium, I will use these in this Maxwell equations. So these are our Maxwell equation for the isotropic dielectric medium. तो पहली इक्वेशन दिया बन गया माइनस म्यू नॉट नहीं आएगा, माइनस म्यू कर लिया, इसमें कर लिया, जे 0 हो गया, तो डी क्या है एप्सिलॉन इनटू ई, नॉट एप्सिलॉन, एप्सिलॉन इनटू ई कर ली मैं कर रही थी, तो डेल डॉट ई इज इक्वल टू 0 हो गया, और डेल डॉट एच क्या हो गया 0. तो उसके बाद सिर्फ वही स्टोरी हमने रिपीट करनी है. टेक कर्ल ऑफ इक्वेशन नंबर 1 बोथ साइड. तो हमने कर लिया, कर्ल करके इस इक्वेशन को, तो ये इक्वेशन को इस वेक्टर आइडेंटिटी के साथ हमने कोरिलेट किया. देन वी गेट दिस del dot is 0, del is called del square, and del square is called a Laplace operator, and del cross h is equal to epsilon into curly e by curly t. यहाँ पे वेक्टर आएगा curly e by curly t. Okay, curly e by curly t. तो finally we are getting a equation del square is equal to mu epsilon curly 2 e by curly d square. So this is the Maxwell equation for isotropic dielectric medium. तो फर्क क्या है? Free space, if we compare with the free space, only difference is mu not get replaced by mu, and epsilon get replaced by epsilon. अगर नॉट डाल देंगे तो फ्री स्पेस की बन जाएगी, विदाउट नॉट क्या बन जाएगा आइसोट्रॉपिक डायरेक्ट्रिक बन जाएगा. सिमिलरली फॉर h तो हमने कर लिया इक्वेशन 2 का, और सेम मेथड हमने लगाया, तो वी आर गेटिंग अ फाइनल इक्वेशन इज del square h is equal to mu epsilon curly 2h by curly t square. Now see, this is the general wave equation. Compare 8 and 10 with 11, and we are getting this v is equal to 1 by mu epsilon, square root of mu epsilon. और फ्री स्पेस में क्या आता था 1 by square root of mu naught into epsilon naught. तो ये फर्क है. Now use this 13 and 14. See, c is equal to क्या होता है 1 upon square root of mu naught into epsilon naught. Use 13 and 14 in equation number 12. We are getting v is equal to c by square root of mu r into epsilon r. So this is the all about the Maxwell electromagnetic wave equation for isotropic dielectric medium. In the last we can write 8 and 10 is called. Please write 8 and 10 is called electromagnetic wave equation for isotropic dielectric medium or non-conducting medium in terms of E and H. Any doubt on this part? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is similar with the EM wave equation for free space. The only difference is that we have to replace mu naught and epsilon naught by mu into epsilon, and taking sigma is equal to 0, which further leads to a J0 and rho is equal to 0. So these are the Maxwell equations for the non-conducting medium और isotropic dielectric medium. तो कई बार 2 मार्क्स में क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, write the Maxwell equation for free space. 1. write the differential form of Maxwell equation, जो पहला किया था. write the Maxwell equation for free space, दूसरा free space, and write the Maxwell equation for the isotropic dielectric. तो ये, तो these are the set, इसको आप बॉक्स में भी डाल सकते हो. These are the Maxwell equations for non-conducting medium और isotropic dielectric. So यहाँ से 2 नंबर मार्क्स का 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन भी बन गया. ठीक है. This set is called a Maxwell equation for isotropic dielectric medium or Maxwell equation for the non-conducting medium. I get your point? समझ आया कि नहीं आया? 3 क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. Write the differential form of Maxwell equation. Number 2, write the differential form of Maxwell equation in free space. Third, write the differential form of Maxwell equation in isotropic dielectric. So this is all about it. Any doubt from this part? Any doubt? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.